Hi, my name is Gabriela from Tulip Art Designs and you are absolutely welcome on my creative channel, or you are welcome back. Today is day 5 of our ink and watercolor advent calendar and I'm so happy I organized this. I am super excited to share every next project that we have. So I guess we can just start. Okay, so let's see what do we have for day 5 of our ink and watercolor advent calendar. We have the gingerbread cookie. It's a nice one and I love it. So if you're ready, let's get started. Everything about the supplies is in one of the preparation videos. I will list all the 3 preparation videos in the description below. So let me just show you day 1 and day 2. They were quite nice. Day 3 and day 4. So let's just start with today's gingerbread cookie. I have my tape here that just helps me to not, go all over my page. I have the clip here and I want to do a quick sketch. So let's start with the head. Okay, and let's do our hands. I am starting with the pencil sketch this time. So every time I'm trying to show you a different. I used 2 watercolor sketching techniques. One is starting with the ink and then adding watercolor, and the other one is starting with watercolor and then add some line works. Okay, I guess I'm also seeing a photo here to help me not mess this up. I guess something like this is fine. Let's add ink first, and I really like the sketchy style, so I am going back and forth with my pen. If you like very smooth lines, just go for it. It's your sketchbook or your paper. You can do whatever you feel good about. Okay. Like this. Alright. I will use my eraser to just remove the pencil lines. Once you add watercolor on top of them, you will not be able to erase the pencil lines, and I don't want to have pencil lines under my paint. So I will just erase it. And okay. Now let me just show you a nice and quick technique. I am painting with water, which means I am just adding water all over my gingerbread cookie. Just like this. And then I will grab some burnt umber and I will throw it in. I will enjoy how the paint moves around. Just like this. And I am literally tapping with my brush around the edges. Like this. then I go a little bit inside. Okay, like this. Then I will take more paint and go one more time to create this darker edge. And I can also add here a little bit in the middle, just a few taps of my brush. So I'm literally just tapping. Okay, that's all about it. I will wash my brush. I actually want a few splatters. I almost forgot. I will try to not splash my whole page, so half of it will stay clean for my other illustration for tomorrow. I will take some burnt umber and write day 5. Alright, let me just make this dry and add a few line works. Okay, now that this is dry, I want to use my Jelly Roll pen and add a few detail lines. So we can just do a few. Let's see if this will work out. I am adding and sketching some white lines. So a little bit here. You can use gouache paint, you can use bleed proof white paint, you can use, one second, you can use water-based paint marker, or you can use such a marker. You can use acrylic marker, so it's not transparent, and you can just sketch on top of your watercolor. Okay. Like this, and maybe we can add also here these white decorations on the gingerbread cookie. It can be anything, so if you have your own style or design, you can add it in. Okay, that was it for day 5. I hope you definitely liked it. That was it for today. I hope you liked it and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you share your work on the socials, tag me so I will not miss it and I can share it on my stories. If you want this, check out my Patreon if you need the early access to the videos and the outlines of each of the illustrations, and subscribe for my channel so you will not miss any other video, and I will see you tomorrow for day 6. Bye!